how to turn off Discord notification sound. So if you want to Discord to turn off the notification, then first you need to open up your Discord application. Once you open up your Discord, now you need to go with the bottom left, which has that user settings. Now under user settings, you will need to scroll down a bit and you will find an option to have the notification. So you just need to simply go with notifications, and here you need to turn off the notifications, which is the first one. Toggle off the option of enable desktop notifications. And if you don't want other notifications too, then you just need to simply go and toggle off all of the notifications. Go with never, and then push notifications, inactive. You need to select the time, anytime that you're comfortable with. And after that, here, if you scroll down, you will have all of the sounds, which is your message, your other things like mute, unmute, user join, and invited to speak and everything. You just need to simply go and toggle all of these off if you want to turn off your notifications. And here you will also have the email notifications. You can turn that also off. So that's how you can turn off your notifications on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.